Welcome to e-learning. This time it's levels, advanced and applied part 2. The aim of this exercise is that you learn how to calculate that level where you can connect your pipe to the main sewage line. Be aware that this is building upon the video levels, applied and advanced part 1. We are still building at plot number 10 in Utterslev Mose. And what we have to do is we have to calculate the level where you can connect the PVC pipe, 110mm PVC pipe, to the main sewage line. And we must remember that all levels are from the inside at the pipe or well. We have to give the result with 3 decimals because the gradient of the line is under 10 promille. The first thing we look at is how we connect two circular pipes with different diameters. We have the diameter 500 and the diameter 110mm. So we go back and look at the plot in Utterslev Mose and remember that here runs the main sewage line. It is made up of PVC with a diameter of 500. What you see here is a picture of how two pipes are connected. This is our main sewage line and this is our 110mm PVC. What you must be very much aware of is that they are talking about the inner diameters. Here and here. And that means when we have to do calculation just in a minute that we must subtract the wall thickness because we're only giving the outer diameter of the pipes. A connection between two different dimensions of pipes results in a Hyde laws, and that is what is shown here. This is the Hyde laws, and it has the simple lowercase h. The formula for finding Hyde laws between the two circular pipes is Hyde laws equals the inner diameter of the biggest pipe minus the inner diameter of the smallest pipe divided by 2. The Hyde laws, which we found up here, must be added to the bottom level of the biggest pipe, and in this case it is the pipe with diameter 500, the main sewage line. So our connection level is Hyde laws found up here plus the bottom level, and the bottom level was what we found in video part 1 advanced and applied question number 3. I have been sketching a bit on figure 1, and as you can see this is the level that we found in video part 1. Here's the connection level we have to find. Here is stated the wall thickness of the smallest pipe, and here is stated the wall thickness of the biggest pipe. First step in the calculation is to find the inner diameter of the biggest pipe, and the inner diameter of the biggest pipe is the diameter, which was 500, minus 2 times the wall thickness, and that is equal to 470.80 millimeter, and we go to meter, which is 0.471 meter. I have done the same thing for the inner diameter of the smallest pipe, lowercase d, and I get that the inner diameter is 0.105 meter. What is left now is to calculate the connection level, and as we remember, the connection level has the formula shown down here. Connection level equals Hyde laws plus bottom level. This was what we were finding up here in video part 1. So let's see what we get. We are back here, and I have been writing up the height laws. I add the bottom level, and what I get is 16.371. We have now calculated the level where we can connect the 110mm PVC pipe to the main sewage line, and our level was 16.371, and we give the result with 3 decimals because the grading of the line is under 10 per mil. And that was the end of the videos.